The search is on for ways to help our community bounce back from the coronavirus crisis. LEX18 and our parent company Scripps want to give you the resources you need to deal with the coronavirus. It's all part of the Rebound Kentucky. And while there are still so many unknowns about COVID-19, researchers and medical professionals are learning and making advancements every single day. And that includes right here in the Bluegrass. The team at the University of Kentucky is hard at work helping not only Kentucky, but the nation get on the rebound from this disease by finding solutions. We can support local restaurants, social distance, and applaud our healthcare workers. But a vaccine, a cure for COVID-19 is what our society truly needs to recover.
This is a huge problem for the world. It's not just a problem for Kentucky, it's a huge problem for the world.
Right in our own backyard at the University of Kentucky, there are brilliant minds at work doing important research toward an eventual vaccine.
And we've got scientists at the University of Kentucky who are trying to develop better tests to try to work out who's got the disease. The antibody test is one that's got a lot of attention because then you can see who's had the disease as well.
Dr. Ken Campbell is the director of the newly created COVID-19 Biobank at UK. It looks similar to the video you see here. The biobank is like a library, but instead of being filled with books, it's filled with specimens from patients who have tested positive for COVID-19.
Things like a tube of blood or exhaled breath. And then we collect those specimens and we give them to scientists who are going to use them to try and help fight COVID.
They got the biobank up and running in just about 2 weeks, something biobank manager Marietta Barton-Baxter says would normally take about 18 months. The specimens are collected with no additional burden to the patient or the medical staff.
I have never been involved in anything, obviously, on this magnitude as far as the pandemic and the urgency of getting it up and running so quickly.
By being able to access these types of materials, researchers can develop better testing methods, therapies, and yes, eventually a vaccine. But they warn that will take months and large-scale clinical trials. Perhaps the most crucial part of this process, though, is the patient themselves, because they are the ones who hold the key to the cure, proving that even in the medical world, the only way we will get through this and truly on the road to the rebound is together.
It may not be able to help them directly. What they're doing for the future patients is absolutely amazing, and it's the key to us being able to figure out the additional testing that we need to do and the additional treatments, and ultimately to be able to get a vaccine.
And you can find more information about the Rebound Kentucky online, including resources about getting back to work, making ends meet, and our previous stories. Just go to the site you see there on your screen, lex18.com/rebound.